Question 7. I hope you remember our discussion last Monday about the servicing of the washing machine supplied to us 3 months ago. I regret to say the machine is no longer working. As we agreed during the meeting, please send a service engineer as soon as possible to repair it. The product warranty says that you provide spare parts and materials for free, but charge for the engineer's labor. This sounds unfair. I believe the machine's failure is caused by a manufacturing defect. Initially, it made a lot of noise, and later it stopped operating entirely. As it is wholly the company's responsibility to correct the defect, I hope you will not make us pay for the labor component of its repair.